Good morning, everyone. In previous lectures, we have done the two last chapters, the improvement in food resources and cell chapter. Now we are going to start the chapter tissues. And first of all, let me tell you about the meaning of the tissue. First of all, the definition of cell is the basic unit of life. It means a single cell that can perform all the life processes. So it is called as the basic unit of life. But the tissue, that is the group of cells. When the cells they grouped together and perform the special function, that is called as the tissue. Means here two definitions of the tissues are given. Cell that are specialized in one function. It means the group of cells they perform a single or a special function are grouped to form the tissue. Or a tissue is a cluster. Cluster means group of the cells at the definite place in the body performing the special functions. It means the tissue that can be called as the definite group of the cells that perform the special functions. Like if the in plants, if we are discussing about the xylem or phloem, xylem tissue that is made up of the different type of the cells which perform a special function, that is the transportation of water and minerals. In same in manner, the phloem, the function of the phloem tissue is to transport the food material. But the phloem tissue that is made up of the different type of the cells which are grouped together to perform the special same function. Now, are the plants and the animals that are made up of the same type of the tissues? No, because the animals and plants they are very different from each other. Because the animals they need a large amount of the energy, so they need the living tissues more. Means their body have the living tissues more as compared to the plant tissues. In plants, because they are stationary and they do not need a large amount of the energy, so their tissues are maximum dead. Mostly they have the dead tissues. And in animal cells, in animals, the growth of the cells that is the uniform. It means in animals you can see the length of the both arms that is equal, and the length of both legs that is equal. It means in animals the growth, that is the growth of the cells that is uniform, means equal. And but in case of the plants, they have no regular shape, because they have the stems, they have stem, branches, etc. Means they have the growth in certain regions, like the stem, part of the tips of the stem, tips of the roots. And now next one is about the classification of the plant tissues. Now we will discuss about the plant tissues. Plant tissues that are of the two types: meristematic tissues and permanent tissues. Meristematic tissues are those tissues which are capable of showing the division, means which can show the division. But the permanent tissues they are incapable of the division, means they take up the permanent size and shape and perform the special function. But in case of the meristematic tissues, they are also called as the dividing tissues. Dividing tissues बोला जाता है इन्हें. And these are of the three types: apical meristematic tissues. These are found at the tips of the roots and the stems, and they help in increasing the length of the stem. Then lateral is present below the bark or cambium in dicot roots or the stem. And intercalary, these are present in internodes of the stem. Internode is the place between the two leaves, that is called as the internode. And permanent tissues, these are also of two types: simple and complex. Simple tissues are those which are made up of the same kind of the cells, and complex tissues are those which are made up of the different type of the cell. It means The example of the xylem and the phloem, they have the different type of the cell na, so they are called as a complex tissues. These are the examples of the complex tissues. Now in a simple type of the permanent tissues, they are further divided into the parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. And complex tissues, they are divided into two categories, xylem and phloem. Yes, good morning everyone. Now second lecture is about the meristematic tissues. In first lecture we have studied about the introduction of the tissues, and after that we have discussed about the plant tissues, in which first one is about the meristematic tissues. What are the meristematic tissues? First one point is, these tissues have the cells which are continuously dividing. It means they are called as the dividing tissues. Second is, these are found in the growing regions of the plants at the shoot tips, root tips or cambium. Cambium means it is the bark of the tree. That is the cambium. मीन्स जो आप पेड़ का मोटा सा तना देखते हो, सपोर्ट होती है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज द कैम्बियम. And third one is, their cytoplasm is dense. It means the cell that has the liquid inside, that is called as a cytoplasm, which is very dense, गाढ़ा होना. And cell wall is thin, and then intercellular species are lacking means ना होना. जो स्पेस है सेल्स में, जो इन टिश्यूज़ के सेल्स में जो स्पेस है, दैट इज़ नॉट प्रेजेंट इन मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यूज़. नाउ फर्स्ट वन इज़ अबाउट द एपिकल मेरिस्टेम. लोकेशन मीन्स ये कहाँ प्रेजेंट होते हैं, वेयर दे आर प्रेजेंट. दीज आर फाउंड एट द टिप्स ऑफ द स्टेम्स एंड रूट्स. जो मैंने अभी भी बताया कि ये टिप्स पे प्रेजेंट होते हैं. फंक्शन क्या है, दे हेल्प इन इंक्रीज द लेंथ ऑफ द रूट एंड स्टेम. जो स्टेम और रूट की लेंथ, इन्हीं की वजह से, जो एपिकल मेरिस्टेम है, इसकी वजह से ही बढ़ती है, ग्रोथ होती है. देन अबाउट द लेटरल मेरिस्टेम, दीज आर फाउंड एट द लेटरल साइड्स ऑफ द रूट्स एंड द स्टेम. लेटरल मतलब साइड्स में ही प्रेजेंट होता है ये, और ये क्या करता है, स्टेम और रूट को मोटा होने में. जो स्टेम देखते हो आप, पहले क्या होती है, शुरू में ग्रीन होती है और पतली, थिन होती है, थिन एंड ग्रीन. बट जैसे जैसे प्लांट ग्रो करता है, फिर उसकी स्टेम कैसी हो जाती है, धीरे धीरे ब्राउन और मोटी होने लग जाती है, थिक होने लग जाती है. दैट इज़ ड्यू टू द लेटरल मेरिस्टेम. Then intercalary meristem location, that is found at the base of the leaves, where the base means where the points from where the leaves are attached to the stem. And the internodes is the place between the two leaves, means stem के बीच में जहाँ leaves present है, उनके बीच के part को internode बोला गया है. Function, they increase the length of the organ.